Okay, another feature to the square. So all the measurements on the shoulder are all on the 1/4 of an inch. So you have 1.5 inches here. Then this is 1 3/4. Your 2 inch is the valley of the cut. And then all of your peaks are on the 1/8 of an inch. So this is 2, 2 1/8, 2 1/4, 2 3/8, 2 1/2, and you can see the 1/2 inch is notched up larger than the quarters. And then you have 2 5/8, 2 3/4, 3 inches, and then it jumps over here to your 3.5 inch diamond. Quick reference, so you have the top and bottom. Very easy for your eye to center on your pencil mark. And then 3 5/8, 3 3/4, 3 7/8, 4 inch, etc. You have your 4.5 and your 5.5 inch quick reference. So if you're doing your joist layout, and let's say your joists are 2 1/4 inches, there's one mark, and then 2 1/4. You can see how easy your eye centers right into the valley because it's a square cut, a nice laser cut square cut in there. Your eye centers very nicely, and there's your 2 1/4. If you want to go 2 3/8, now your eye centers very easily on the peak, and there's your 2 3/8 mark. Your 3.5, you can see how easily and quick your eye references, getting your line square and centered in your valleys. There's a 3.5, and 3 5/8 if you want to go a little larger than that. And then you have 1/8 inch increments for any of your layout using your shoulder reference measurements.